how much of this you're seeing, but you could definitely see the smoke if the camera's picking up on it. The air is so thick out here that you can just, it just smells like something burning, and your mouth gets incredibly dry, and yeah, it starts tasting like that you smoked cigarettes. And the sun is out, but you can't tell it. Maybe you can. If there's the sun from the Canadian wildfires. But, yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna head back in. It's incredibly hot out here. Even though it's windy, I'm incredibly hot out here. And all this smoke is now making my eyes burn. Yeah, it's pretty bad. It tastes like I smoked a cigar or a cigarette.